Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some corn on the cob, my little Weber Q gas grill. It's pretty handy having Andy's produce market out in front. I've seen people cook corn in the husks on the grill, but I always take it off. This is kind of hard on my arms. I have TOS, thoracic outlet syndrome. So this part is always kind of hard on my arms, getting them out of the husks. But looks like it's pretty good corn. This stuff always makes a mess, that stringy stuff. Now I have just put the corn on the grill just plain, just like that, and that works okay. But I'm going to rub a little bit of avocado oil on the outside of it. That just kind of helps the corn stay kind of more moist. And also it helps this rub stick. I'm going to put this Kinder's Mild Barbecue rub on it. And that gives it some pretty good flavor. Now we'll get the grill lit. Alright, and I'm not going to worry about preheating it. The corn will probably just have to stay on a little bit longer, but I'll have to turn it a few times. It usually has to stay on there about 15 or 20 minutes. These have been on here for 3 or 4 minutes, so I'm going to take a look at them here. I usually kind of keep turning them and rotating them a little bit so they don't sit in one spot for too long. And they'll usually start to get a little bit of color. See how those are turning a little brown, but they usually come out pretty good this way. These have been on here for about 15 minutes and they're starting to look pretty good. I just kind of keep rolling them around every once in a while so they don't sit in one spot for too long. You can hear a pop every once in a while, like, I guess, popcorn. Okay, I'll let them go a few more minutes and then we'll try them out. These have been on there about 20 minutes. I'm going to get them off of there. The grill is still on high. Hopefully this has cooled down enough to eat. It's funny, when it's cooking, every once in a while you hear a pop, like one of those kernels pops. That is really good and stuck in my teeth just like ribs always are. But that's a really good way to cook corn. It has a lot of flavor. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. I can't give Annie a corn cob, but I did cut a few little pieces, a few kernels off. Let's see if she likes it. Well, I think she's eating it. She's like, well, that's kind of a rip-off. I'd rather have meat, but I guess it's okay.